Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm continuing with the battery I started in the previous episode. Last time, I ran into some issues because my new instrument was poorly calibrated. However, the values are now accurate when measured with another multimeter. Since the cells have already been spot welded, let's move on to the BMS. The BMS monitors each cell, protecting the battery from overcharging and deep discharge. If you'd like to know more about how it works, check out my video on it. Now I'm applying self-adhesive insulation paper to the bottom of the BMS to separate the panel from the cells, providing extra protection against possible damage. Although I mentioned that the spot welding was complete, I actually missed the negative terminal, so I'm welding it into place now. All right, this will work nicely. Now the BMS can be put in place. I'm using double-sided tape, applying it along both edges. Then I'll position it and stick it down. Once that's done, I'll solder it to the negative side. Since the nickel strip was secured with spot welding, we don't have to worry about the cells overheating during the soldering process. Next, I'll solder the BMS balance wires into place. This is quite straightforward because there's a sticker on the BMS indicating the correct wire order. The negative side is always first, followed in sequence until we reach the battery's positive terminal. I'll include a picture here that clearly shows the correct order. All right, the hardest part is done. I'll measure the output voltage to check if it's correct. This will confirm that the BMS is functioning. After this, the best approach is to add an insulating layer on all sides of the battery, similar to the one placed under the BMS. For now, I'll just wrap it with heat-resistant tape, as it will be placed in a fully enclosed box where it won't be exposed to damage. This isn't my first time doing this, but I forgot to secure the positive terminal before taping, so now I have to cut it open and fix it. I always test the battery's functionality with a small load. This time, I'm connecting a 12-volt soldering iron to it. If it heats up properly, then the battery is working as it should. It's done and working perfectly. If you're still here and enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you'd like to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. If you'd like to support my work, you can do so by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.